Tragedy as vigilante group ambushed and killed by bandits during a meeting in Niger State. The people of Mashegu Council area of Niger State was thrown into mourning on Tuesday after some armed bandits invaded the village, ambushed some vigilant members, killing 7 of them in the process. According to The Nation, the sad incident occurred on Monday when the vigilantes were planning to attack the bandits after informants leaked information of the meeting to the bandits. While giving details of the tragic incident, a resident in the community said the bandits rounded up the vigilantes and opened fire, killing 7 of them on the spot and injuring others. Not only that, the bandits was said to have gone further to set no fewer than 50 motorcycles belonging to the vigilantes, which were parked where the meeting was taking place, on fire. Consequently, in this reaction, the Niger State SSG Alhaji Ahmed Mahtani confirmed the incident and added that the government was working to reduce the incidence of banditry. Residents recently, there have been a spike in bandit activities in some northern states, and despite several efforts by the federal government and the military to flush them out, the country still records high attacks from the hands of the notorious armed bandits. Similarly, while some northern governors are of the opinion that the government should dialogue with the bandits, others argued that they should rather be dealt with by the security agents because dialoguing with them will only escalate the crisis. But in all, some prominent Nigerians have asked the President Muhammadu Buhari to sack its service chiefs and replace them with more competent hands that can inject fresh ideas that help can come from there. Alright, do you think the federal government and the Nigerian military are doing well enough to put an end to this incident and reoccurring attack and killings by the dreaded Boko people and armed bandits in the north? Thank you for listening to this news. You see, my viewers, I'm not seeing anything the federal government are doing concerning this bandits issue. I'm not seeing anything they are doing. To me, they are doing nothing. Instead, they are just wasting our resources unnecessarily. You understand what I'm saying? Our resources is being wasted for nothing. Just for nothing. Look, say that I said it through this channel. The people telling the president to dialogue with these hoodlums are the people sponsoring these hoodlums. Yes, they are the ones sponsoring these hoodlums. Maybe you don't know. Maybe you don't know. They're the ones sponsoring them. So, you know, I said it before that these people actually are doing this thing in as a this is like a business set up to help raise money. They have turned Nigeria to a country where they can extort all kind of amount of money because they already know the pulse of the country. You understand? So that is what is happening, and that is what you see that is happening. They are already aware of what is coming in on daily basis and what is going out. So they too want to have their own fair share, and they want to do it in a way that nobody will question them. That is why you see that they are doing it with force. So I am not of the opinion that we should dialogue with anybody, and I will never be of that opinion. Instead, we have the soldiers. Why are we recruiting soldiers? What is the need for recruiting soldiers if you cannot make use of them? What's the need? So, make use of these soldiers. Look at, we have sent some soldiers to Sambisa. These soldiers should be good enough to help put an end to this menace. Yes, they should be good enough to help put an end to this menace. That is, if only we can have confidence in them. If only we can have confidence in them. These guys are good. We have the battalions to do this work. We have the battalions to do this work. So what are we saying? What are we saying? What are you talking about? My viewers, let us not release any money unnecessarily. This is stealing by trick. Stealing by trick. Instead of let us work hard to fish out these hoodlums. They are very close to you. They eat with you. They have meetings with you in that Aso Rock, but you don't know. You don't know. They are always there. They are always there. Having meetings with you, but you never know. You are just there, looking at them. So you to do something to fish them out. And we are very close to getting them. Very close to getting them. My viewers, enough is enough. Something really needs to be done. Well, if you are new on this channel, for subsequent videos from us, click on the subscription buttons. And if you are not new, please deem it fit to leave a comment behind. Alright? Thank you.